Hello. Hi there. Hello there. Hi there. I am way better than Kimmyle AMSMR. So, um, of course, I'm better than Kimmyle ASMR. I'm actually better than her. So let's do like this. Plucka, 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 plucka. Pluck it, pluck, pluck it, pluck it, pluck it. Ay, 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 ay. It's a plucker, 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 plucker. Kimmy Lee, I'm better than you. I can do a better plucker, plucker, plucker. Plucker. Kimmy Lee, plucker, 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 plucker. Hey, 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 Kimmy Lee. Look at my smoke detector in the ceiling. Look, look, look. Look at my sexy smoke detector. Plucka, plucka, plucka. It's a sexy smoke detector. Beep, 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 beep. You need batteries. Plucka, plucka, plucka. I need a smoke detector in my room because it detects smoke when there's no fire in my house. Plucka, 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 plucka. Heh heh.